Hello there, kids! Welcome to my kitchen. We've got some fruits here. We have some baskets and we have some pair of knives. Let's play with them together. Hey kids, first I want a tomato. Here we have a tomato. You see, it's red in color. It's a tomato. And now I'm gonna pick a knife. It's a knife. The color of the knife is white. It helps us to cut fruits into 2 pieces. But did you know, when we cut this fruit, we will find something from the inside. Let's try it. Oh, look here, kids. We cut the tomato into 2 pieces, but we also got a hexagon. It's a red hexagon. We found it from the tomato. Now we have 2 pairs of tomato and a hexagon. Now I'm gonna choose a banana. Do you see a banana here? Here we have a banana. Kids, look at the banana. Can you guess the color of the banana? It's a green color. Let's cut it into 2 and see what do we have inside. Oh, look here, kids. We cut the banana into 2 pieces. We also got a square. It's a green square. We found it in the banana. Now we have 2 bananas and a square. They're all in green color. Now kids, I want a corn. Here we have a yellow corn. You see? It's a yellow corn. Let's cut it into 2 pieces and see what do we have inside. Oh, look here, kids. We got 2 corns and we also got a circle. It's a circle. Look, kids, it's round, just like a ball. It's a yellow circle. And now we have 2 corns and a yellow circle. I want a fruit. Kids, I'm gonna go with pear. It's a pear. Green pear. Let's see what do we have in the inside. Oh, look, kids. We got 2 pears. And we got a heart. It's a heart. Great, kids. We found a heart. It's green. Now what do we have here? 2 pieces of pear and a heart. Now kids, I want a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. You see? It's an orange color. Let's see what do we have. Oh, look here, kids. We've got 2 pumpkins and we got a triangle. It's a triangle and it's an orange color. Now we have a triangle and 2 pumpkins. Great, kids. Now kids, I want something zesty. Do you see a lemon here? Well, we've got a lemon here. It's a lemon. You see? It's a lemon. Let's cut it. Oh, look here, kids. We cut the lemon into 2 pieces and we found a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 2 are short and 2 are long. It's a rectangle. Great job, little kids. We played with our fruits and we collected some shapes. Do Did you have fun? I had so much fun with you guys. See you next time.